Well, hey, it's Bruce Latch, and we're down at Timeless Arts Refinishing, Grand Rapids, Michigan. We're working on this beautiful John Widdicomb's piece of furniture here. I'm not sure how old it is, but we had to refinish the top. And here's some pictures of the doors. See that okay?
Oh yeah.
Careful with that. Got the doors off because I had to do some touch up down here, so I took the back off. But we're hand rubbing the top right now, and after the top was stripped, sanded, and finished with some high gloss pre-cad lacquer to the build that I wanted, I took this little jigger sander here, oiled the top down, and kept sanding the top until it was nice and tight, smooth and slick like a piece of glass. After you're done with that, to get your sheen back up there, you just have to buff it. So we're going to show you how it goes from what we got right here to right here. So a couple of drops of water. That's just clean water. Okay, you want to show it, Corey?
Yep.
Now, obviously, I'm not done with this yet. I got a lot of buffing to do and clean some compound up here, but you get the general idea. Looks pretty good, don't it?
Yeah.
So this is how you get that high-end finish. It's basically like hand rubbing out an automotive finish. If you ever wondered how they did it in the furniture factories, that's it. That's the only trick. You get a lot of coats of clear on top of it, wet sand it till it's nice and smooth. Get all the orange peel, everything out of it, so it's slick like a piece of glass. Then buff it. It's a little trick to buffing. It's not as easy as it looks, but anybody can master it. You know, it just takes a little practice. So, yeah, so we'll just clean this up and go over it some more, but I have to do the rest of the cabinet. We just refinished the top for the man, but the sides, I'm going to kind of look them over and buff them a little bit, clean them up so it all looks good. This cabinet here came out of Detroit. Yeah, a beautiful piece of John Widdicomb. So, thank you. We'll show another picture of this when it's all put together, when it's done. Have a good day.